Have you noticed how the word vibe coding keeps popping up everywhere lately? On TikTok, on Twitter, in startup circles, people are saying it's the future of programming. But here's the real question. Is vibe coding just hype? Or is it actually the next revolution in how we build technology? Stick with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand why everyone's talking about vibe coding, what exactly is vibe coding? Pause for emphasis. It's not your typical coding. No endless lines of Java, no painful debugging marathons. Vibe coding is about telling technology the feeling of what you want and letting AI, no-code tools, and natural language do the hard part. Think of it like building an app the way you'd describe a mood to a DJ. You don't need to explain every beat, every chord. You just say, I want something energetic, futuristic, and smooth. And boom, the system generates it. That's vibecoding.com. And now, here's why it's everywhere right now. 3 main reasons. 1. The rise of AI copilots and assistants. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and GitHub Copilot are taking natural language and turning it into working code. 2. Accessibility. People who never thought they could code, designers, entrepreneurs, even high school students are building apps without years of training. 3. Culture shift. Tech is becoming less about rules and restrictions, and more about creativity, speed, and expression. In short, vibe coding isn't just about programming, it's about creating. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you had a big idea, but gave up because you didn't know how to code? Maybe it was a startup concept, a mobile app, a tool that could have made life easier. That wall between dreamers and coders has stopped countless innovations. Vibe coding is tearing down that wall. It's giving people permission to dream and actually build. Here's the crazy part. Companies are already experimenting with vibe coding to spin up websites in hours, design video game levels with a single prompt, and automate entire businesses with just a few clicks. A decade ago, you needed a team of engineers. Today, you might just need an idea and the right vibe. And that's why investors, creators, and even educators are suddenly paying attention. So where's this all heading? Imagine this. Instead of downloading apps, you'll generate the exact tool you need in real time. Imagine students vibe coding projects in class the way we used to make PowerPoints. Imagine one person with no coding background vibe coding the next billion-dollar startup. This isn't a maybe one day thing. It's already starting, and the wave is only going to grow. So now you know why everyone's talking about vibe coding. But here's what I want to hear from you. Do you think this is the future of software? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading them all. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.